How's it going, world? My name is Adam Solis. I'm going to be talking a little bit lower in this video just because I have a baby in the other room. So hopefully you guys will be able to hear me. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Today I'm going to be talking about how you're able to pay off credit card debt fast. Before I get started, if you're new and this is your first time on the channel, we talk about ways to improve your credit score, financial literacy, budgeting, and many different topics to help you improve your current financial habits, situations, all done in about 5 minutes or less. If you find this helpful, do me a solid favor by subscribing and liking this video, and share the video with somebody who you may think may be able to benefit from it. Believe it or not, it helps a ton. So with that being said, there's a couple things I want to be able to cover before I get into details. It's good to understand how your credit is calculated and basically graded to be able to see where you need to spend most of your focus on to be able to improve. So essentially the number one thing is your payment history. That has about a 35% effect on your credit score. And if you ever miss at least one payment, well, it can negatively affect you in the long run. It can also affect your borrowing power for any type of home loans or loans in general. It stays on your credit for about 7 years. So unless you know how to get it removed, it can really affect you negatively, which I'll make a video on how to get some late payments removed off of your credit very soon. So another section will be calculated of how much debt you're utilizing versus how much debt you can actually borrow. So if you're maxing out most of your credit cards, your credit will start to lower. If you keep your utilization under 30%, then that's a good spot to be in. Anything over that will start to negatively affect you. And again, that means only using about 30% of your actual borrowing power. So a good example, if you have $1,000 credit card limit, make sure you're only using no more than 30% at any given time, which means that would be about $300 or less. Anything more than $300 on $1,000 credit limit, then it starts to negatively affect you. Now, if you're using $800 on $1,000 credit limit, then your score starts to drop drastically. Trust me, I've done it. I know you don't want to be in that situation. Number 3, length of credit time is about 15% of your score. They take an average of your longest credit line compared to the rest. If you're young with zero credit, I'll make a video showing you how to get approved for your first credit card, so subscribe for that upcoming video. Number 4, different types of credit is about 10%, which is basically different type of credit lines on your credit. That can be mortgage, auto loan, credit cards, personal loans, etc. Number 5, and the last one, is the number of credit inquiries you have. The hard pulls are the ones that really affect you negatively. So if you have a lot of hard inquiries where you're applying for different type of loans, check out my video on how to get these removed to help you and start out. Again, thank you guys for taking the time to click and watch this video. As I give you free information, I hope that I earn your trust to like and subscribe. Comment down below with some of the things that you're currently struggling with, and I'll make another video. So thanks again for your time. Until next time, peace.